Ever wondered what blockchain really is? No jargon, no hype, just a clear, simple explanation right now. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions, but here's the twist. It's decentralized. That means no single person or company controls it. Everyone in the network has a copy. When you send Bitcoin, your transaction is verified by computers called nodes. Once approved, it's locked into a block. That block gets added to a chain, creating a permanent, unchangeable record. So, blockchain powers way more than just crypto. It actually runs NFTs, smart contracts, supply chains, and even medical data security. It's totally changing how trust works online. Okay, so pros, it's secure, transparent, and tamper-proof, but cons? Well, it can be slow, energy-intensive, and honestly kinda hard to regulate. And that's blockchain in about 2 minutes. Like, share and subscribe for more tech made simple.